In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. Begin by going into Tab menu. To do that, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Then you need to look for Auto Rotate shortcut, which is this one, and click on it. As you can see, mine turned darker, which means that auto rotation is on. To switch it off, tap on the same shortcut until it's light gray. Quick tip: if you wanna, you can also go into settings and tap on this section called Display and Touch. Then scroll to use this switcher next to Auto Rotate, and this way switch it on or turn it off. If you want to, you can also click on it on the left, manage it here, and also use this switcher next to face detection to turn it on or switch it off. You can read all about it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!